what Snyk does is embed security checks throughout that software development lifecycle. Snyk is focused on a category called developer security, or embedding security throughout the software development lifecycle for developers. So we've always had the North Star being helping developers be more productive. And one of the things that invariably slowed developers down is the need for them to make sure that the software that they're developing is secure.
I saw your banner. It says, AI Trust Begins With Snyk. Can you elaborate more on that point and tell me exactly what that means?
Every developer is trying, and every CEO is trying to get more productivity out of their developers.
Yeah.
And so what we tried to do is to encourage developers to develop incredibly fast. And now with generative AI, developers are 30, 40, 50 times more productive. And so what we tried to do is be the trusted security component. So developers can continue to do the development, the creativity that they building around these applications. But security knows that because we're there, they can trust that those applications are being developed securely.
You recently released AppRisk Pro.
Yes.
Tell me more about this, how it's significant, what impact it's making on the broader cybersecurity sector, and the value that it's creating for Snyk.
You know, when you think about a lot of the challenges that security CISOs and security teams face, is trying to get a complete view of my application or my applications. And so what AppRisk Pro does is gives this holistic view of my application. So when you have this list of vulnerabilities to fix, you need some help understanding which ones to fix first, which are the more critical vulnerabilities from the not so critical.
We spoke last year at RSA.
Yeah.
Tell me what's new with Snyk since we last spoke.
New product, new acquisitions, strategic partnerships with ServiceNow, Google we just announced. We had SentinelOne, AWS, so good partnerships. Our team continues to get bigger and stronger as we go.
What's next for Snyk?
Continue to execute.
Yeah.
You know, continue to do what we've been doing. Continue to grow a very successful software business. We've always thought of ourselves as a company, a public company someday. And you know, if we keep executing, you never know.
Thank you, Peter, for joining me today.
Thank you very much for having me.